The 2026 Yamaha DT50 makes a bold and emotional return, and for many riders, this legendary name instantly brings back memories of lightweight freedom, buzzing two-stroke thrills, and that unforgettable first taste of real off-road riding. The DT series has always been about simplicity, durability, and pure riding enjoyment, and Yamaha clearly understands how important that legacy is. With the new DT50, Yamaha hasn't simply revived an old badge for nostalgia's sake. Instead, it has carefully modernized the concept while preserving the raw, honest spirit that made the DT lineup iconic in the first place. The new DT50 is clearly aimed at young riders, beginners, and urban explorers who want a motorcycle that's unintimidating yet capable. It's designed to be easy to ride, tough enough to handle dirt trails and rough roads, and stylish enough to feel right at home on city streets. This balance makes it a perfect gateway bike for those entering the world of motorcycling, while still offering enough character to appeal to experienced riders looking for something simple and fun. At the heart of the 2026 Yamaha DT50 sits a refined 50 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine focused on efficiency, reliability, and clean emissions. Yamaha has engineered this motor to deliver smooth, predictable power, which is crucial for riders who are still developing throttle control and confidence. Power delivery is linear, with no sudden surges or surprises, allowing the rider to focus on technique and balance rather than managing excessive power. Throttle response feels crisp but never aggressive, and the engine pulls cleanly from low revs, making it well suited for stop-and-go city traffic as well as uneven off-road terrain. Despite its small displacement, the DT50 doesn't feel dull or lifeless. Thanks to its lightweight chassis, even modest power feels engaging. The bike responds quickly to rider input, and that sense of connection between rider and machine is something Yamaha has always done exceptionally well. It's the kind of motorcycle that reminds you that fun doesn't always come from big horsepower numbers. Yamaha has paired the engine with a well-matched transmission that makes gear changes smooth, forgiving, and confidence-inspiring. The clutch action is light, which is ideal for beginners learning proper clutch control. Shifts feel precise and predictable, reducing rider fatigue and frustration. This setup makes the DT50 an excellent training bike, but it's also enjoyable enough that experienced riders won't feel bored during casual rides. Fuel efficiency is another major highlight, with Yamaha delivering impressive mileage figures that make the DT50 extremely economical to run. Whether it's daily commuting, riding to school, or weekend exploration, fuel costs remain minimal. Performance on the 2026 Yamaha DT50 isn't about chasing top speed or aggressive acceleration. Instead, Yamaha has focused on balance, control, and real-world usability. Acceleration is gentle yet responsive, giving riders confidence rather than intimidation. On dirt trails, the bike feels nimble and light, allowing riders to focus on line choice and technique rather than fighting the machine. Its low weight makes it easy to maneuver through tight spaces, recover from small mistakes, or pick up after a fall, which is especially important for new riders. This is a motorcycle that actively encourages learning, exploration, and skill development. One of the standout features of the new DT50 is its suspension setup. Yamaha has equipped the bike with long-travel suspension designed to handle a wide variety of surfaces. The front forks offer a plush yet controlled feel, absorbing bumps, potholes, and trail obstacles with ease. The rear suspension complements this setup by keeping the bike stable and planted, even when the terrain gets rough. This suspension tuning makes the DT50 surprisingly capable off-road for a 50 cubic centimeters machine, while still remaining comfortable and composed on paved roads. Braking performance on the 2026 Yamaha DT50 has been designed with safety and predictability in mind. Disc brakes provide consistent stopping power, and the braking feel is progressive rather than sharp. This helps beginners build confidence without the fear of sudden wheel lockup. Whether riding in dry conditions or wet weather, the brakes deliver reassuring performance that suits the bike's intended purpose perfectly. From a design perspective, the 2026 Yamaha DT50 strikes an impressive balance between classic DT styling and modern design elements. The overall silhouette is instantly recognizable, featuring an upright stance, slim bodywork, and a high-mounted front fender that signals its off-road intentions. At the same time, Yamaha has introduced sharper lines, updated graphics, and refined finishes that give the bike a fresh, youthful appearance. It feels nostalgic without being outdated, which is exactly what fans of the DT name were hoping for. The front end features a compact headlight that blends retro inspiration with modern lighting technology. LED elements improve visibility and efficiency while giving the bike a clean, contemporary look. The fuel tank is slim and ergonomically shaped, allowing riders to grip the bike comfortably with their knees, improving control both on-road and off-road. Seat comfort has also been carefully considered, with a well-padded seat that supports daily riding while remaining narrow enough for shorter riders to place their feet confidently on the ground. The instrument cluster on the 2026 DT50 keeps things simple and functional. It displays all essential information clearly without clutter or unnecessary distractions. This minimalist approach fits perfectly with the DT philosophy, allowing riders to stay focused on the ride itself. Build quality throughout the bike feels solid and dependable, reflecting Yamaha's long-standing reputation for durability and reliability. Ergonomics are another strong point of the DT50. The upright riding position offers excellent visibility and comfort, making it ideal for city riding and longer casual trips. Wide handlebars provide good leverage when riding off-road, and the foot peg placement feels natural and relaxed. From the moment you sit on the bike, it feels welcoming and unintimidating, regardless of your experience level. One of the biggest unique selling points of the 2026 Yamaha DT50 is its versatility. This is a true dual-purpose motorcycle that doesn't force riders to choose between street and dirt. You can ride it to school or work during the week, then hit trails or back roads on the weekend without needing major modifications. That flexibility makes it especially appealing to younger riders and parents looking for a safe, reliable, and fun motorcycle. Ownership costs further enhance the DT50's appeal. Yamaha has designed the bike to be easy to maintain, with long service intervals and readily available parts. Insurance costs are typically low due to the small engine size, and overall running expenses remain minimal. This makes the DT50 an excellent entry point into motorcycling without the financial pressure associated with larger bikes. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Yamaha DT50 is expected to sit comfortably in the affordable premium category within the 50 cubic centimeters segment. Depending on the market, pricing is expected to fall between $2,500 and $3,000. For a bike that combines Yamaha reliability, legendary heritage, and modern usability, this price feels well justified. Beyond specifications and numbers, the DT50 carries strong emotional appeal. For older riders, it's a reminder of simpler times and the bikes they learned to ride on. For new riders, it's an introduction to a legendary name that has shaped generations of motorcyclists. Yamaha has successfully captured that sense of adventure and freedom in a small, approachable package that feels just as relevant today as it did decades ago. Overall, the 2026 Yamaha DT50 isn't about being the fastest or most powerful motorcycle on the market. It's about accessibility, fun, and everyday usability. It's a bike that encourages riders to get out, explore, learn, and enjoy the simple pleasure of riding. Whether you're a beginner searching for your first motorcycle, a commuter wanting something lightweight and economical, or a nostalgic rider drawn to the DT legacy, the new DT50 delivers on all fronts. For Global Bike Biz viewers, the 2026 Yamaha DT50 represents a perfect blend of heritage and modern practicality. It proves that small displacement motorcycles still matter, and that sometimes, less really is more.